Hello YouTube, it is time for an update on the fluorescent lights in my house. A few lights have been added and changed out and restored. With that being said, we're going to get started. I also have Alexa, so let's get this going. Alexa, main lights white.
Okay.
Alright, what we've done, we have added this strip up here. There's Tinklebird. We have installed the light from Force, and I think y'all saw this one last time, so we're going to get started. Let's start by looking at the restored bedroom light. You remember what it looked like before, so with that being said, we're going to turn it on. Alexa, bedroom light on.
Okay.
It is quite blink happy with the new ballast. And of course, you remember over here we have my little night lights. The pink and black lightning. I don't think I showed this last time, but in the bathroom we have some preheaters up here. Let's take a look at these up here. Here we go. Awesome PL bulbs. On the nightstand we have this black light. Let's turn it on. And back here we have the blue F40T12. Let's plug it in. Awesome. F7T5 here on this nightstand. Of course, for mood lighting we have a pink Westinghouse and a gold GE F14T12 by the Birdcage. Alexa, bird light on.
Okay.
Two F14T12s and an F13T8 down there. And we remember the knick-knack nook. We can't get them all in the frame, but here we go. Alexa, Nook on.
Okay.
All these various T5 bulbs. And now here's the new strip. Alexa, strip on.
Okay.
It's actually pretty blinky at times, and we have a Walmart light bulb in there. It is a great value. It's actually quite blinky. Let's do it one more time. Alexa, strip off.
Okay.
Alexa, strip on.
Okay.
Got some good blinkage that time. Alright, I think that's everything in this side of the house. Here we have the 3x F20 T12. It's not very blinky, but it's cool. And in here we have the light from Force. It's finally been put back in service. Here we go. Gives some pretty good blinkage. And this is the light that was taken down. We also have this F14T12 on top of the air conditioner. This came from Jacob. It doesn't blink a whole lot. Still cool though. Now we move on to the kitchen. We have this 32 watt circle line. Got some good blinkage. This 32 watt circle line. Not much blinkage. We have these two F20 T12s in the windowsill. That one doesn't want to come on all the way. There it goes. In the laundry room we have this. It's not very blinky with the new bulb I put in it. Little blinkage there. So, alright guys, I think that's everything. This is my current preheat fluorescent setup in my house, and as you can tell, the house is actually pretty clean. I think I have showed you all the preheat lights I have installed at this time. We got some more projects we're working on, so I'd say about once a month we'll do an update on the preheat lights in my house if y'all like. But for now, that'll be it, and I gotta go around the house and turn off a bunch of lights. Tinklebird says, a huge thank you to all our patrons.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do. Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.